So we're on to the stage now of being able to progress to making our granny square. But to start with, what we need to do is we need to make our foundation centre and work on our chain 3 up. So this is the next stage I'm going to show you on before we do the next chapter, which is to show you how to do your treble stitch. And from there we'll show you how to do your granny clusters and how to do your chain spaces. There's going to be lots more chapters to come that you can utilise, not just for this mode, but for many more as well. So we're working through these progressively, and this will be chapter 4 for starting your granny cluster square. So getting our tail and making sure we have enough of our tail, wrap your ball around your fingers as you have done in the other videos. Create your slip knot. There you go, and put your hook through and yarn over and pull through to complete that slip knot. Then we're going to count 6 chain stitches to create our circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're going to take our hook through the first chain stitch that we made. Careful not to get this mixed up with your slip knot at the beginning. So just count back to that stitch, and it's the 6th stitch from your hook. That doesn't include the one on your hook. Okay, go through that V, the centre of that bottom of the V, and then yarn over and pull your hook through the first loop and then the second loop to complete that circle. The slip stitch that we've just made is just pulling the wool through the 2 loops without creating an actual stitch. But what it does is it creates a connection using the glue in some form of wool or mortar to keep it together, so that we can now create our chain 3 up, which is another 3 chain stitches. And then it looks like we have a little mini tennis racket. So we're going to do these stitches again. We're going to repeat, so just watch and follow the same and repeat the same path that I've just done with the 6 chain, going back into that first chain to finish your circle with the slip stitch and your chain 3 up.